Greetings, chemists. Today is Wednesday, March 31st. I am gone here for the day, so I would like to show with you and share with you what we are doing for today. But I first want to start off with a little extra credit that you can have. If you go ahead and look at the middle of your main page here on Schoology, you will see that there is a chemistry bracket extra credit. Something fun here to kind of go along with the world of basketball right now. Little March Madness going on. I've got a bracket, but in terms of the world of chemistry. And so this is what opens up when you click on the extra credit here. Over down here is how you figure out who wins each round. You're going to start off by writing the chemical formula and figuring out who has the most number of atoms in the chemical formula. So go ahead and start writing chemical formulas for the first round. This is worth 15 extra credit points and is due on April 12th. That is the next time that I will see you is on April 12th. So go ahead and do some extra credit worth 15 points due on Monday, April 12th. And when you are done with that, there is a assignment bracket, or not bracket, submission area right here, submit extra credit, where you can submit a picture of the work that you do for that extra credit bracket. So this is where you would submit your extra credit when you are all done with it. You'll have to print it off and then fill it out the information. But that's where that information goes when you are all done with it. Okay, so that's the extra credit. Now let's go in and show you what you're going to do that you need to do for the rest of the day. So we're going to go in here to week 4. Click on that. Scroll all the way down. First things first is your portfolio for your Unit 3 learning targets. You need to get your portfolio for Unit 3 set up. So when you click on that, it's going to open up your learning targets for this unit. You need to save this to your Google Docs so that you can come back and start adding information to this document to show evidence of your learning. That's all that assignment is right there, is simply saving the learning targets to your Google Docs. That's all you got to do there. Okay. Next is doing the single replacement reactions notes. Take those notes, watch the video, and then take the quiz at the very end of that. Okay. Then when you are done, start working on the practice for single replacement reactions. Okay. For this reaction, you've got a bunch of reactions that you need to do. Make sure you're watching out for using the activity series to make sure to see if these reactions actually happen. You need to check cadmium and lead to make sure that cadmium is higher on the activity series than lead to make sure this reaction actually proceeds. Okay. So there is an answer key to make sure you're not totally off base on things, so that you can check to make sure you're going good. And things are looking good and a-okay. So check to see how you are doing with that. When you are done with these 8 problems, take a picture of that and then submit it off over on the right-hand side. Then you need to finish your lab from yesterday. So yesterday we collected all of the data for the activity of metals lab. Now you need to finish it with all of the reactions, the data analysis questions, the CER, all of that. You got to finish all of that good stuff. So finish that activity of metals lab. And then lastly, we have now done target 3.1. So now you can go into your target 3.1 and add your evidence of learning into your portfolio. So go ahead and review learning target 3.1 in your portfolio and add your evidence of learning. Okay. And that's everything. So again, start your learning target, your portfolios, get those saved into your Google Docs. Then work on your notes for your single replacement. Watch the video, take the notes. Then you've got the practice on the single replacement reaction. Then you have to finish the activity of metals lab that we started yesterday. And then lastly, review your learning target for 3.1 and start adding your evidence of learning into that learning target, because we are now finished with learning target 3.1. Okay, and that takes care of that. When you are all done with all of those activities, then you can work on the extra credit and keep you busy by working on that extra credit. Okay, that takes care of everything, and I will see you again later. All right, bye.